Good morning, guys! Sure.
Remove side A.
Hey! Wala naman. Wala naman. Anyways, guys, dineliver lang po dito sa amin. So, pupuntahan ko sana today, pero dineliver siya. So, thank you. Pagkagising ko, binigay ng mother ko sa akin. Yun. 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 Yun, naman. Ooh! Lableta. Okay. Thank you, Lolo. Thank you, guys. Matalastas. Ay, nagmarites. Nagmarites! Yan, guys. So, this video is about So, dumating na, guys, ang pinakahinihintay ko. So far, exactly 1 month and 1 day. Kasi kahapon, exactly 22. Walang money. Papel lang, papel. Dineliver lang po dito. Ayun, guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel, guys. Yuhu. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please click the bell on para always updated sa mga videos ko. Thank you, everyone. Na-monetize ako last August. August. September. By October, nawalan ako ng ads. Kasi, yung ID ko, guys, hindi na-capture na maayos yung phone ko. Kaya, hindi ko na-verify agad. Lumagpas na sa due date. Kaya yun, nawalan ako ng ads. Tapos, guys, naano na siya, almost 2 months din. Mahigit 1 month siya bago na bumalik. And thankful ako sa help ni Mother Lily, ni Mother Lee, ni Mother Earth. Mami Lee, Maria Dolores Lee, ni Bricoson. Thank you, Mami, for helping me to get back my ads. So, and we made it last 22 December. Bumalik yung ads ko. Kaya, nagsabi ako, pag bumalik yung ads ko before Christmas, mag-GLS ako on my birthday. Kaya, nung nag-GLS ako, wala sa plan yun, pero it's alright, babawi tayo, guys. So, this is it na. So, because yesterday was Sunday, so, today, hinatid, hindi ko na kinuha dun. Deliver lang po dito sa bahay. Yan, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you talaga to all who supported my channel and those who helping me. Tribu Payag, Team Tuba, Kalami and Friends, Team Support, thank you so much. Ate Isay, Ate Ems, Ate Day Loves. Even though I'm not the member of their teams, but it's a big help to me. Thank you, guys. Sa paglaki ng mga bananas ko, yay! Thank you all, guys. Team Single and Zoe Char. Thank you, Mother Earth. Love you, Mama Chuchu. Ciao. Thank you, all beautiful people, sa lovely members ko. Tsaka yung sa mga super chatters ko, guys. May bago akong exclusive only sa mga members ko. So, every premiere, pag members ko yung last chatter, automatic papalipadan ko. Pag hindi ako nagsabi na may last chatter, members or not members will be allowed. Tapos, every month, magpapa-last chatter ako sa mga members ko sa premiere nila. Yay. Thank you, lovely members. Yan, pa-members na yan. Yay. Tsaka pag nagmamarathon, all my members, 3 yung naka-tune in. Sa mga hindi members, 2 lang. That's it. And free play sa mga members ko. For their, like, 2 videos. Yan. That's how I love my members. Stay connected, guys. Thank you. Once again, bye-bye. Mama chup-chup. Anyways, guys, you can support me also on my Facebook page, Mabibitin Channel, and my private account, Tintages Pacardo. Anyways, and I also have Star. Yay, guys. Bikini Ma'am. I've got 4 Facebook pages, TikTok, Mabibitin Channel, Tintidios Pacardo, and Tintidios. Show my king. Yeah, that's it for that's only about my Facebook page. You can follow me also on my TikTok. Ay, bawal dito pala. Char. My Instagram. And to everyone who still not know my Gcash, feel free to PM me, char. To message me on my Facebook, Mabibitin Channel, Facebook page, or my messenger, Tintages Pacardo. That's it, guys.
Ayan guys. So, now, kailangan ko na ito i-ano. Kasi, sabi, welcome to Google AdSense. Your account isn't set up to receive payment yet. Please follow the instruction to verify your address. Instruction. Oh, okay.
Sabi, Dear Mabibitin Channel, please always connect on me. I always missing you, Char. Your secret admirer. Secret admirer. Char. I'm waiting to you on Valentine's Day. See you. 14344. Oh. Nakulab daw kami sa February. Char. Your secret admirer. Gulo-gulo. Second voice. May nagsi-second voice. Bush bush. Bye-bye.